forgot that he told us that story.
Yeah, Dr. Lee told us that.
I know he told it, I didn't know the punchline.
Santa Claus stops after 3.
Uh-oh. What's that?
Oh, we gotta open it. We gotta open the rest of it. Come on, Dee.
That was for Daddy. Yeah.
Yeah, I think Daddy knew what he wanted. Hey, we're gonna have to undo it all.
Give Daddy something to do, keep his day occupied.
Yeah.
What is that, Benjamin? What is that?
Oh, geez, now. I think that takes a ton of batteries.
Yeah.
And I had them, but I don't know if they came with, really.
Oh,
You remember seeing
yeah.
them?
Is that
You
neat?
were the battery girl, I know you
No,
had
I went out, I got all the batteries, but I don't remember if I brought them or didn't bring them or.
Well, we've got a bunch of batteries.
Yeah, they're-
Eric bought like a whole thing of.
But I'm all about having batteries when
Yeah.
I give toys, so.
That is too
But I think that thing took
cool.
6 or something, because
Yeah.
I,
You think they're in the car? With the,
I don't, please, honey.
Yeah,
did you
6.
throw them in the pill box, or don't you know?
I don't know. All I know is I bought the batteries.
Yeah, it's a train, isn't it?
I bought the batteries.
Yay! Yeah.
I think they were on the
fun with
countertop.
this, huh? You and Daddy especially. Okay, here. Should we take it apart?
Here, I'll sit down. And I'll wait for you to take it apart.
Yeah, maybe this would be a, well, Daddy's doing camera stuff. I was saying maybe this would be a good task for Daddy. Or maybe for Papa.
That's a little involved, that thing.
Yeah.